Hi, it's Rob Hardy. I just wanted to touch base about Anthony Morrison and the Partner with Anthony program and the Ambassador program. I'm currently doing both and started making money out of the Ambassador program within 7 days. But I found that the Partner with Anthony program is where you get the knowledge for the long-term setup, the long-term relationship with Anthony Morrison, and to create a more fulfilled business and have it have the training behind you, and so you can firstly not cut corners, but you know what you've got to do next and know where you've got to be and what you've got to do to make a real business out of this, and to make an income where you can build it up so you can leave the work that you're currently doing. That may take some people a fair while, it may take some people months. You know, it all depends on your skills, your creative capabilities, and just running a business, I suppose. But I'm just here to say, have a look at the link, see what you think about the Partner with Anthony program, and I'm willing to, my contact details are down the bottom, my email. I'm willing to help you out any way I can, answer any questions that you might have that are you're not sure whether the program's for you, you know, what I've found. You know, I'll open up and let you know kind of what I've made and how I'm progressing with it. So just get in contact. It's just an extra offer. I can help you with a bit of support here and there. And yeah, we could, you know, be in business together, but have our own businesses. Anyway, thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye.